What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be covering USACO's 2020 December contest at the bronze level. Problem number 1, do you know your ABCs? Farmer John's cows have been holding a daily online gathering on the Moo-Z video meeting platform. For fun, they have invented a simple number game to play during the meeting to keep themselves entertained. Elsie has 3 positive integers, A, B, and C, such that A is less than or equal to B, which is less than or equal to C. So for example, they could be 3, 4, 5, and they could be 3, 3, 3, but I can't be 3, 2, 1. A is the smallest, B is at least as large as A, and C is at least as large as B. These integers are supposed to be a secret, so she will not directly reveal them to her sister Bessie. Instead, she gives Bessie 7 not necessarily distinct integers in the range of 1 to 10 to the 9th, claiming that they are A, B, C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B plus C. Let's write that down real quick. I got A, B, and C. I got A and B together. I got B and C together. I got C and A together. And I got A, B, and C together. So that's every possible combination of the numbers. Now, ordinarily, when we see 10 to the 9th, we want to just double check our range. And the reason why is 10 to the 9th is 1 billion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you're working in Java or C++, you only get to go up to about 2.1 billion, at which point your integer is going to overflow. So if we had A, B, C, A plus B plus C, if A was 10 to the 9th, B was 10 to the 9th, and also C was 10 to the 9th, then A plus B plus C would overflow. But they're specifying that all of the integers, which includes A plus B plus C, are in the range of 10 to the 9th, which means if A plus B plus C is within the range of 10 to the 9th, then obviously A, B, and C must each be significantly smaller than 10 to the 9th for them to add up. And it also means that we're not going to overflow because I don't have to worry about A being 10 to the 9th and then B also being 10 to the 9th and C being 10 to the 9th. Because then if I added them together, A plus B plus C would be 3 times 10 to the 9th, which would be too large for an integer. But then it wouldn't, A plus B plus C wouldn't be in this range of numbers. And since we're guaranteed all the numbers are in that range, we don't have to worry about an overflow. Given a list of these 7 numbers, please help Bessie determine A, B, and C. It can be shown that the answer is unique. So input format is going to arrive from the terminal, standard input. The only line of input consists of 7 space-separated integers. Okay, so seven integers right there. The output format, also printed to the terminal, it's just printing to the console, is to print A, B, and C separated by spaces. Okay, so for example, this is A, B, and C. Okay, that's the problem. That's actually kind of a short one. So, if you have paper and pencil handy, I would take some time to fiddle around with these numbers and see if you can come up with any patterns or if anything catches your attention. But essentially, we need to figure out which of these numbers is A, B, and C. And just as a reminder, we have A, B, C, A plus B, A plus C, B plus C, and then A plus B plus C. All right, so a couple observations. First observation is A plus B and A plus C and A plus B plus C all have to be greater than A, and B plus C has to be greater than B. So since all of these are greater than A, and this one's greater than B, and we've been told that A has to be at least less than or equal to B, what that means is that all of these numbers that involve adding, by definition, must be larger than A. A would have to be smaller than all of these. B potentially could be, since B has to be larger than A, I think that also guarantees that B is going to have to be smaller than all of these. Let me double check that, because A plus B has to be larger than B. A plus C would have to be larger than B because C is at least as large as B. B plus C obviously is larger than B, and so is A plus B plus C. So regarding C, it's hard to know for sure about C because it's possible that A plus B could be larger than C. We're not given any guarantees on that. But at least regarding A and B, we're essentially guaranteed that A and B have to be the smallest 2 numbers. So in this example right here, my smallest 2 numbers are both 2s. That pretty much is guaranteed that has to be A and B. Because if C was 2, for example, then that would mean that we would have to have like a 4 here, which wouldn't be allowed. And if we had, and same thing with A. Anything that we could put here that would be larger than 2 would break that rule of A being less than or equal to B being less than or equal to C. So because A has to be less than B and B has to be less than C, and A and B each have to be less than all of the things that involve adding A and B, the smallest 2 numbers are A and B, with the smallest and the second smallest being A and B. That gives us A plus B being 4, for example, which we can see right here. that would give us a plus c. Well, we don't know for sure what c is. The largest number, a plus b plus c, is guaranteed to be whatever the largest number is. So that's 11. See if we can work backwards from here. Let's see, a plus c. So that's all we can get just by using our original basic kind of deductive logic. We know that the two smallest numbers have to be a and b. We know the largest number has to be a plus b plus c, and then we can calculate a plus b. Now, at this point, we've got enough variables, enough equations to just do this with algebra. If a plus b plus c is equal to 11, and a plus b is equal to 4, then if I were to do minus a plus b, that would be equivalent to doing minus 4. And then I'm going to be left with c equals 7, which I do have right there, and that turns out to be the answer. So this problem is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of kind of thinking about what you have and realizing that a and b have to be your two smallest numbers. A plus b plus c has to be your largest number. Once you have your two smallest number and your largest number, then you can find what c is. So to kind of back this up and run through this again, what you're going to do with your input is you're going to read it all in whatever order, 2, 2, 11, 4, 9, 7, 9. Do whatever you need to do to find the two smallest numbers. Maybe you want to run a for loop through that and save two integer variables, the smallest and second smallest. Maybe you want to sort it. If you want to use a sorting algorithm, there's a lot of sort functions you can use in each of the languages has a way to sort integers very easily. But essentially, once you figure out your two smallest numbers, 2 and 2, and your largest number, 11, just take your largest number and you subtract your two smallest numbers, and that will give you the value of c. All righty, that's all there is to this one. Good luck coding it, and I'll talk to you on the next one.